Are you throwing money away every time you fill up? Misinformation about fuel has been around for decades, tricking drivers into costly mistakes. Premium gas doesn't always mean better, and additives won't magically fix your engine. Let's bust the 10 biggest fuel myths. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment before we dive in. The truth. Premium fuel, which has a higher octane rating, does not boost the performance of a standard vehicle. Unless your vehicle's manufacturer explicitly requires high-octane fuel, using it provides no benefit in terms of power, mileage, or longevity. Why this myth exists? The misconception likely comes from the association between high-performance cars and high-octane fuel. However, unless your car has a turbocharged or high-compression engine, regular fuel is just as effective and far cheaper. The truth. This myth is based on the idea that gasoline expands when warm, meaning you'd get less energy per gallon if you fill up during the heat of the day. However, underground storage tanks at gas stations keep fuel at a stable temperature, rendering this trick useless. Why this myth exists? In theory, temperature affects fuel volume. However, in practice, the difference is negligible. Fueling up in the morning won't save you any money or get you more gas. The truth. While certain high-quality fuel additives can help reduce carbon buildup and improve engine cleanliness, they won't perform miracles. Severe carbon deposits need professional cleaning, and consistently using high-quality fuel is the best preventive measure. Why this myth exists? Fuel additive manufacturers make bold claims about their products, leading consumers to believe they can fully restore engine efficiency. While additives can help, they are not a substitute for regular maintenance. The truth. All gasoline sold in the US and most developed countries must meet strict quality standards. The primary difference between budget fuel and premium brand fuel is the presence of proprietary detergent additives which help keep the engine clean. Why this myth exists? People assume that cheaper means lower quality. While premium brands may have additional cleaning agents, basic gasoline from any reputable station won't damage your vehicle. The truth. Modern fuel systems are sealed and pressurized, significantly reducing the likelihood of water contamination. While it's true that condensation can form in an empty tank, this is only an issue in extreme cases, such as old or neglected vehicles. Why this myth exists? Older vehicles had vented fuel tanks that allowed air and moisture to enter, making condensation a genuine concern. Today, this is largely outdated advice. The truth. Most modern cars are designed to handle fuel blends containing up to 10% ethanol, E10, without any issues. Only classic cars, motorcycles and some small engine equipment should avoid ethanol blends due to material compatibility concerns. Why this myth exists? Ethanol attracts water and can corrode certain materials over time, but modern fuel systems are built to withstand this. Unless you're using an excessive ethanol blend, like E85 in a non-compatible vehicle, you don't need to worry. The truth. Fuel pumps are designed to dispense gasoline at a consistent rate. Slowing down the pump doesn't prevent vapor loss or get you more gas. Any difference is too minuscule to make a meaningful impact on your wallet. Why this myth exists? This belief is based on an outdated idea that fast pumping causes fuel to vaporize more, leading to lower volume. Modern fuel pumps and storage systems minimize vapor loss. The truth. While major fuel brands add different proprietary detergents to their gasoline, all fuel sold meets national standards. Switching brands occasionally won't harm your engine and may even help prevent carbon buildup by exposing your fuel system to different additive blends. Why this myth exists? Brand loyalty marketing and personal anecdotes have led people to believe that one brand is significantly superior. In reality, using fuel from different stations, as long as they meet industry standards, will not negatively impact performance. The truth. Running your fuel tank close to empty can actually damage your fuel pump and injectors, as sediment from the bottom of the tank can get sucked into the fuel system. Keeping at least a quarter of a tank at all times prevents unnecessary wear and tear. Why this myth exists? Some people assume that using all the fuel in the tank will flush out contaminants. In reality, fuel filters already catch debris, and running low can do more harm than good. The truth. Modern automatic transmissions are designed to optimize fuel consumption while idling. Shifting to neutral frequently can cause unnecessary wear on the transmission. with little to no benefit in terms of fuel savings. Why this myth exists. This may have been true in older vehicles, but modern cars have highly efficient idle management systems. The energy saved is minimal compared to the potential long-term damage to the transmission. Many of these fuel myths have been around for decades, passed down from drivers who grew up with outdated information. But as engine technology advances, so must our understanding of fuel efficiency and vehicle maintenance. By avoiding these misconceptions, you can save money at the pump, extend the life of your engine, and make smarter decisions about how you fuel your vehicle.